Another best 2-in-1 laptop under $300, my personal favorite, the Lenovo Chromebook C330. With all those heavily convenient pre-adapted features, i.e. built-in malware protection, easy setup, quickest boot-ups, and a lot more, it's a Lenovo Chromebook for you. Glistering white, thin as paper, only 2.64 pounds in weight, and definitely 360-degree rotatable. This laptop is an exquisite piece of engineering. Well, the laptop is powered by MediaTek MT8173 C4 quad processor exhibiting a 2.1 GHz clocking speed. Apparently, not for any heavy loads, this processor is a demon for your gauzy needs, i.e. light gaming, streaming, and entertainment, easy typing like official tasks, etc. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage. I hope you, looking at the price you are paying, must be happy with all this. Anyways, the 11.6 IPS embellished HD touchscreen that this laptop holds features the anti-glare coating as well. Hence, it's made sure that the screen stays easy on the eyes even in an exposed to direct sunlight ambience as well. Needless to say, for it's a Chromebook, setting and then operating it is so easy, i.e. just sign into your Google account, and you are done. A 720p webcam for fine video chats, a Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 combo for wireless connectivity, and multiple I/O ports, etc., are some other stunning features you'll get here.